Hey y'all, welcome to Simple Southern Living. Appreciate you guys tuning in to the channel. Here's me outside. I'm doing one of the last exterior repairs for the house before we put it up on the market. We had some rotten fascia outside in our garden area here up on the roof towards the end cap, towards the end of the fascia board. So went ahead and as you can see here, it's totally removed. We patched up any damages and whatnot, removed any damages, put some new wood and covered that up. And now we're just sanding it down, getting it prepped up for paint. That way we can go ahead and get this looking nice and pretty so we don't have any defects coming up or popping up, slowing down our home selling process. I don't want this coming up on any inspections and whatnot. So as you can see, go ahead and enjoy the video. Thank you. Alright, so here you can see me putting a third coat on the fascia before I put it up. The day prior, put a couple coats on, especially since it's exterior. I want to get the exterior paint nice and coated, because all that weather, especially being in Florida, it's hot and you're going to get that mildew and whatnot. So 3 layers, nice and protected. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm gonna get that nice and prepped up before I go ahead and still gotta cut it to size and then hang it up. But some steps might have been missed here in these videos, but overall I was able to get that project completed. So again, appreciate you guys watching through this journey. Thank you. Alright, so here I am just cleaning up for the day. Pretty much finished the project. There's some steps I left out. I will do a part 2. Stay tuned. I'm getting new with this software of editing the video, so bear with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you guys. See you on the next adventure. God bless you guys.